Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part is available 38 Agent Admin Panel inbox email show in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this already run my Firefox browser inside this localhost php myadmin index.php, and this availability is state underscore laravel underscore 11 this database name, and click this user table. This already 10 table inside this user table. Click this user table. Inside this available role wise, role means 3 role is available: admin, agent and user. 3 role wise is available, and this in this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory inside this project, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's anytime waste, let's start this video. First of all, this directory inside my command prompt open successfully. This directory side command prompt open this project. Let's php artisan serve and enter. Successfully server running in on http. This URL is a copy and hit this my browser. Please hit your browser. Successfully working. This is a URL. Let's admin login. Admin login. This is the login screen is the available. This login screen is available. Let's agent is a login. Let's copy this agent. Password is a 1234567889. Password 1234567889, and click this login, and not now, not show. Please check this previous all video step by step all. This is my wrong way. Let's log out. This is a user login. This agent error. Wait. This is a admin login. Copy this Gmail account. Copy agent, copy, and password is a 123456, and login, and not show. 123456, and click this login, and not now. Why not login? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Wait, this is a password is a copy and paste here inside this. Paste, remove this and paste. Successfully paste. Let's copy this and refresh this page. Agent admin password 1234567889, and login. Successfully login admin agent dashboard working fine. Inside this available template, inside this tools available. This is all. Check this admin side inside this not working. Let's step by step. Inside this inbox is a set this Gmail account inside this. First of all, this sidebar open. Let's open resource view agent, and this is a layout, and this sidebar successfully open. This available, this inside this available email inside this new create, copy, same here, copy and paste inside this inbox. Successfully inbox is a implement. Let's refresh this page. This inbox is available. Inside this inbox is the include. Let's new URL create. URL name is available. Agent email and inbox. Same here, copy and save file. Let's refresh this page and click this inbox, and this URL is inside this available. Agent email in inbox successfully available. Same here, copy this email account and web.php open, route web.php open. Inside this first is available admin, second is available agent. This is the agent. route get and paste here. This admin controller, copy class, and inside the same here copy and paste here. Email agent and inbox. Same, close this. Last is a close, already close. Inside this already close. Copy this name admin controller, open http controller admin controller. Inside this new function create public function and paste here. Request $request and request echo d and die. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully D is a show. Good working. Let's insert this implementation. Remove file. Remove inside this new return. View inside this available folder name is agent dot email dot inbox. Save file. Let's copy this email and this new folder, create new folder email inbox, and this new file create inbox blade PSP. Successfully create. Let's save file. Refresh this page. Successfully is a show. Good working. Let's remove, and inside this already include this index copy, same name is a copy and paste here, and this copy last is a copy is available this section. Paste here. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inbox is available. Let's insert this inbox design is a implementation. Step by step inbox design is a implementation. Let's open this my HTML file. This all HTML, this my directory. Inside this is HTML. Please check this description box. Inside this available HTML. Page inside email inside this is the inbox. Let's open this inbox, and this inbox is available. Let's step by step. This is a record is a shared. Right click and open this my Sublime text editor. Successfully Sublime text editor is open, and this open this file, and copy this and find inside this find. Successfully available. Let's cut inside this copy and paste here inside this paste here. Save file, and this is a close, this not used, this close not used. Let's refresh this page. Successfully mailbox is a set. This inbox is a successfully set. Good working. This is a fine. Remove this. Please writing this step by step. This is the inbox is a successfully fine. Good working. Let's step by step. Extra code is a all remove. This not use, this remove step by step. Remove this, remove not use. Please wait. This all extra is a remove. Save file. Let's refresh. This is a all remove. Extra only one record is a show, and this is a forest loop is a set, and this inbox button is available in box. This inbox is available. Let's remove this URL, and this dynamic URL is a set. This URL is a dynamic set. web.php open inside this URL is available and paste here. Save file. Refresh this page and click this inbox. Good working. This is a fine, is a good working. This email account, this is a agent, is a 2 number ID is available, 2 number ID. Let's compose email is a check this 2 number ID is email is available. Yes, one email is available. This one email is available. Let's this email inside subject and description inside this subject. This is subject, in this description is set this email account. Let's step by step implement this. Only single record is show inside. This is a remove inside this dynamic set. Let's open this. This open inside this step by step set auth ID. First of all, this auth ID set $data get record auth user ID. Save file. Let's open this. This is open this table inside compose email table, and this model inside this available model compose email this model. Same here inside this table is included. Copy this and already include inside this. Already include, not include, let's include. Please writing this. This is a file is a writing model inside. This is already created. Let's copy this name, check this previous video. Let's is equal to get agent record, and this same here successfully set. Let's this $data is a pass inside this $data pass. Let's copy this inside this new function, create this new function, create static public function in this paste here, and this already pass user ID. This user ID is already pass, and this ID is a pass. Return self select, and this is a implementation. This implementation set. This where in this name is available. This name same here name dot is a user ID is already available. Same name is a copy this user ID, paste here is equal to this is a ID, user ID set. Same here user ID, and last is a get. Successfully set. This successfully set. Let's copy this name in this data pass here inside. Copy, and inside this available $get record. This copy $get record copy, and this is a forest loop is available. This forest loop. Let's forest loop is a set. This forest set is $value $value, and forest loop is a close end forest. Successfully end forest is a successfully set. Let's step by step implementation. This is a remove, and this remove. This name is a remove, means subject. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a remove. Let's refresh this page. Successfully remove. First of all, this available subject. This is a subject copy, and inside this $value inside this pass $value, and this subject successfully working. Let's same here copy and paste here, and this is a date. This is a description, and last is a date is available. Let's wait. This date function is already create. Compose mail, and this list is a registration mail. Wait, this is a admin inside this already include this list. Wait, inside this date format is a successfully, this is a date format. Same here, copy and inside this paste here. Please writing this file. And this copy and paste here. Successfully date format is a set. Let's refresh this page. This is a available subject and description bar zone. Successfully available. This is a new record. Create this 2 number and 2 number is available. This 2 number and refresh this page. Successfully this record is a show. This is a agent login is a available. This agent inside this agent is a successfully set. This 2 record is a available agent. Let's new private browser. Open this new private browser. Successfully private browser open. Admin login. Admin login. This is the admin. This first of all this open this user inside this available this Gmail account. Copy same is the admin login. This admin is a login. Password is a 123456789 and just click this login. Successfully admin login. Let's create this compose. Compose is a create and this inside this available this agent@gmail.com. This Gmail account is a select in this CC any CCS. CC is a my personal account is a set .com. Subject is a implement. This my official website. This subject is a set the subject. This any doubt so please contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. This subject is a copy and paste here and this name is available this professional developer shared here. This is a description. Let's send inside this new entry is a create this compose mail and this is ID is a to agent and this is a new entry is a create. Let's send compose new admin is a email send. This is a admin email send. Admin email send and view is a agent is inside this show. Admin is a send mail new message. Successfully mail is a send and this click this send box. Let's successfully send box show. Successfully this is a mail is a send. Good working send mail box. Let's check this inside this import. Successfully import in this second ID. Let's refresh this page inside this show record. This inbox inside this show. Good working this subject and message the 28th June. Successfully working fine. This is a mail is a successfully show. Good working. This is a fine. Inside this mail is a already sent this mail box inside show. And this any doubt so please contact this error solution inside this lost of project is available. And this is my official channel YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon inside this follow all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt so please contact. Please writing this step by step this file. Please file is a step by step writing successfully all successfully set. This is successfully shared. This admin successfully shared. This route is a set and this sidebar. Good working. Thank you.